What is up, guys? My name is Aman Saib. Welcome back to Aman Saib Games, and today we have Ana.
Ana Khan.
She's a aspiring
Ensuing
stylist, fashion stylist, and what else? Fashion designer? No.
No.
Only.
I'm studying. I'm in the
मत
third
कॉलेज
year.
मत बोलना.
I'm studying in.
Bro, एक ही कॉलेज है जिसमें लड़कियां जा सकती है. Bro,
People are
तेको
like-
जरूरत नहीं है बोलने का, लेकिन.
Guys, I'm studying fashion communication.
Since Ana is a fashion stylist, today we are doing a Bollywood. Do you like streetwear?
Answer for you know my
Nahi.
answer. I love streetwear, guys, and I don't want to sound cocky or anything in the video, but we are just doing it for fun.
I'll put a disclaimer.
Yeah,
don't
please,
worry.
we are doing it for fun.
Since Ana might work with few of these people in the future, she's trying to save herself.
Yeah, I'm just trying to just like that, because I don't want any hate on the new channel which is coming
true,
up. So I just want to, like, we both actually want to just keep it clear that it's just fun, and we
fun,
actually
yes.
want to laugh, and we were getting very bored, so we just thought of filming this video.
Hey guys, it's me editing the video, and I just wanted to take a quick minute to mention that I saw this video first on Shubhankar aka Hectic's channel, and I just wanted to thank him for the video and tell you all to check him out in the description below. Thank you. Peace. So we are doing a Bollywood streetwear fashion clothes review. Review or just
Review
reacting?
or reacting,
Yeah,
or
reacting.
just our personal thoughts.
Yes.
Yeah, basically.
I have picked out a few photos and looks, and Ana and I are going to react on that. So let's go to the first one. Are you ready?
Wait.
Bro, it has to be.
Oh,
The first one has to be the
obviously
main
Dil-
man.
But trust me, guys, Diljit Dosanjh has set a.
Bar which no one can.
No one can. Before we get into this, I want to tell you, कितने लोग genuinely अच्छे कपड़ों में invest करना जानते हैं, बोलो.
बहुत कम. आधे लोग, I think ये लोग खुद करते हैं. बाकी लोग स्टाइलिस्ट पे छोड़ देते हैं.
Exactly. Talking about this look,
I think they pick their own looks, and that's why it's the
but I
best.
love it. I absolutely love it, and he can carry it, bro.
Easy.
There was an episode of Coffee with Karan with Badshah Diljit and
Yeah, I
Karan
know.
obviously, so
उसमें वो quiz था ना.
bro, look, he was going mad.
तब बोल रहा था वो.
Everything.
And वो भी मतलब rare brands, मतलब Heron Preston वो सब जो सबको
Exactly,
मालूम
but
नहीं है, वो
people
सब भी
don't
बोल रहा था.
know.
But there's also one of the few looks in which the neon off-white Nike looks actually good.
Because
मतलब-
there is a tinge of the same
Yeah.
color on the
बाकी सब लोग
jacket.
black on black पे पहनते हैं और थोड़ा weird लगता है, but
No, but
इसमें
he skilled
actually
it. He
अच्छा लग रहा है.
skilled it. I love the pants. I love that pocket detail on the pant also, and his phone cover also looks dope.
Bro,
Plus his pagadi. His
shit,
every
phone cover
time.
and pagadi.
Yeah, and every time he has a crazy color of his pagadi.
Okay, next.
But yeah.
This is the controversial one.
I love him. I love him. You know, I've been.
You can
telling-
love Ranveer, but what about
no,
the...
okay, about this. Okay, generally, first talking about Ranveer generally,
Bro, the shoes on the left.
Did you see the left wala look in general? Off. Very, very, very off, because colors are going here and there and nothing is getting highlighted.
And why is the photo so saturated? इतना
That you might be.
ऐसा क्यों है वो फोटो? Right वाला
Right
brand
वाला
photo है,
brand
इसलिए
वाला
अच्छा
photo
है.
है, तो obviously because Adidas का logo is getting shown, so obviously it's mad. But then I like the picture in the right also.
हाँ, the right वाला outfit is थोड़ा decent.
Left wala is to going full off. Yeah.
I think even he knows कि it's just for
He's just doing it. Look at his
promotion.
face.
हाँ, वो promotion के लिए है. वो
Yeah.
real में नहीं पहनता. But
नहीं real
पहन भी लेता वो
नहीं,
रणवीर.
real में पहन भी लेता. Why? It's Ranveer Singh.
Yeah. Okay, next.
Cute.
I like him.
I like him.
Bro, what?
I mean,
Bro, like...
I love the hoodie. I don't like the shoes at all. These are those वाले ना.
I think Balenciaga trip.
नहीं, no.
Nike है.
Nike है. मुझे नहीं पसंद है बिल्कुल भी.
और इसमें I
Jeans
think
का fit is also
you know
very
what would have saved the
look.
one size bigger hoodie and one size bigger pant.
Pants. मतलब anti social का अगर तुम पहन रहे हो तो थोड़ा सा take a oversized thing only, and I hate the sunglasses. Hate it on.
Bro, sunglasses are nice. Come on.
Not
उसके
working.
bro उसका thick beard है, उसका अच्छा
Not
लग रहा है.
working. Not with the outfit though. And I don't like the hair also.
Hair तो अभी is not in his control. Next.
I don't like it.
It is him again.
I like the overall look.
I
Very
also
dope.
like it.
Very dope.
तो ये साइज का हुडी पहनना चाहिए.
ये size का, and especially for his body type,
Yeah.
this looks good. Saad also does this mistake, you know. He wears
Saad?
Saad. Even you do this mistake. He wears. Saad is my brother. He wears thoda sa fitted sweatshirts, and I always tell him take a size bigger. Nahi bro. Nahi.
Saad take a size bigger, please.
Saad take a size bigger. And you know I always compare Saad to Rajat Kapoor. I don't know why. Always.
I like the mask also.
I love the mask. I love his sunglasses.
But
I
रात
love
को
his
क्यों
cap.
पहना है bro?
No, chal.
अरे
Even I
रात को
will.
क्यों
Even
पहना
I
है?
will. Even I will.
Exactly. Okay, next.
I like Sonam, and but this look is going through.
Why it's so nice and
I love
less
the
colors?
pantsuit. I love the pantsuit or the whatever.
Photo is
athleisure wear.
amazing.
Photo is good. She's wearing a high neck top inside, and the Apple Watch is also not working for me.
नहीं Apple Watch अच्छा लगा.
Apple Watch is not working for me.
Business vibes आ रहे.
But so, are you seeing the shoes and the kapda and the sunglasses and her hair and her way? I mean, it's not good. Oh, I got the same sunglasses.
Nice.
Okay, who? Both. Okay, one thing, okay. He's carrying it.
Bro, no way.
The outfit is a mess, but he's carrying it. The dress is not going with the shoes at all.
I don't like the dress separately also.
No, it's not a good dress, but I'm telling you, it's not going well with the shoes at all. We're talking about Alia first. Alia का hair, this hair.
आलिया का look streetwear नहीं है.
But तू आलिया को जज करने नहीं बोला?
नहीं मैंने वो streetwear look
यार
है.
मैं Okay, talking about Ranveer, pants are horrible. Again, Adidas originals.
Yes, but ऐसा वो motocross का pant है उसका.
बिल्कुल नहीं अच्छा लग रहा. Shoes are तो
Shoes
like
are,
bro mess.
Bro कितने अच्छे से.
Bro, he's wearing a hoodie के ऊपर ये jacket.
हाँ लंदन में हुडी के ऊपर पफर जैकेट, ग्रीन चश्मा एंड
Orange headband.
क्या है वो मालूम भी नहीं मेरे को. हेडबैंड. नेक्स्ट. Why are you laughing, bro? Why are you laughing, huh? Bro,
No,
बेचारे
what
का
is
फोटो
this?
गंदा है.
What is this?
Oh, bro, ये अभी से रेटिंग देते हैं. Out of 5. नहीं, out of 10. My favorite. I love him, bro.
Harshvardhan is here. Bro,
Look at his shoes.
again talk about Harshvardhan before his clothes. He is amazing. I mean, we both love the Bhavesh Joshi is like Bhavesh guys, whoever hasn't even heard about Bhavesh Joshi.
I'm sure everyone has.
Are you
Bro,
serious?
it's the best superhero movie in India. 100%.
In India, and we flip on it after we watched it, and trust me guys, it is such an underrated movie, but what an amazing fucking movie. Bro, it was insane. Talking about this look, he's
so simple
he's
and
killing
nice.
it.
I
He's
love it.
killing it. I love it. I love his jeans. I have a similar pair.
Bro, ये amazing है jeans पे ये जो है ना.
He's
I don't know
killing
what
it.
it is.
No, it's
amazing.
just like उसके जो belt के section पे he's tied it up, but it's looking really nice.
Bro, this is so good. This is my
Look at the
favorite picture.
picture.
This is my favorite picture ever.
And look at the ice cream. That was black currant ice cream at Baskin Robbins. I think it's Baskin
Naturals.
Robbins. No, it is not natural.
Naturals है bro.
It's not natural. 100%. This
लोकल वाला
mint
naturals
chocolate,
है.
mint chocolate मिलता ही नहीं है naturals में. Mint chocolate, guys. Mint chocolate is a fake flavor.
What? Mint chocolate.
But I love the look. Lavender.
हाँ,
Killing
मस्त
it.
है bro.
Killing
मस्त
it.
है.
Bro, it's amazing.
कौन सा है उसका? Converse Nike है ना? नहीं,
नहीं, Off-White है Nike है.
Nice.
And he's that corduroy
corduroy
pants
pants.
and corduroy jacket.
Corduroy denim cotton plus
Corduroy.
George shoes.
Yeah.
मस्त है.
Bro, and I love the jacket. It's bomb.
I think 10 out of 10.
10.
Okay, next. This I chose for one reason.
Because of the different shoes.
Yes, I love it.
I love it. I love it. And bro, I won't want. Now you know. Actually, since the past, I think 1.5-2 साल, everybody is trying to get classy in their street. All actors are trying. They're trying
Bro, they're
very
trying to,
hard.
half of them are trying to get into streetwear.
And they're trying very hard.
हाँ.
Some are failing terribly. Some are killing it. Even
Depends on-
actress, even chicks, they are
But
also.
depends on the reason, na. If you just want to get into it because everyone is, then you will obviously not look good. But if you actually like
What
streetwear, then you get.
There's
into
something
it,
about streetwear, you can't force streetwear on your
Yeah.
body. If you have that swag and if you had that, if you have that thing to carry it, trust me, maybe बहुत सारे looks which I want to try, I won't try it because I can't carry it.
Next.
Only he can do this, huh? Except, but either say.
Why? I also
love
like him.
Badshah.
I also like him.
I love Badshah.
I also like him, except his raps. But
No, not judging his गाना वाना कुछ भी. I'm talking about outfits. I love it.
Karan Johar also wears this.
I don't want to get into this, but
Bro, don't say about Karan Johar. You want to work with Dharma.
I love it. I love both. I think I'll give like 8 and 8.
Nice.
Not over the top also, but 8 and 8 because definitely right wala because neon and shoes and Yeezys are just going amazing. Left wala Balenciaga,
Bro,
Balenciaga.
shorts. I love shorts.
So he got a Rolls Royce. Next.
Kartik Aaryan also got Lamborghini.
Maserati.
Lamborghini, Urus,
Lamborghini.
bro.
Oh my god. Let's not talk about Kartik Aaryan.
Rest in.
Rest in peace. Why you have these beautiful men here? I love Irfan Khurana also. I like this
it, bro.
outfit. I like
That's
black है और his sunglasses are reflective, which is amazing. His दाढ़ी is going amazing with the look. His beard is killing it. His cap is also fine.
But I could never wear this on the airport. सब लोग मेरे को देखेंगे. अगर ये पहनेगा तो मैं full on white.
वही तो चाहिए.
हाँ, but वो स्टार है ना. वो पहन सकता है. अपन नहीं
तो तू
पहन.
कम स्टार है क्या?
Next. Out of 10.
8.5. 8.5.
Next.
I saw next. I'm already disappointed. What did that? Why you do? What is this picture on the right and on the left and why? But bro, if both the looks are. What is that pose in the right? And I don't like
don't know what it
the
is.
sunglasses.
This video is gonna haunt you in 10 years. I'm telling you. अभी से मैं बोल रहा
I think I'll give it like a 2.
हूँ. Left.
2 I'll give because he's wearing clothes.
What?
Just because he has clothes on, that's why I'm giving him 2. Because
अच्छा,
outfit की
got
color.
it. Okay, left वाला is okay. It's not that bad.
No, I don't like it on him.
But it's okay. The left
But I
वाला
don't like
photo
it on
is
him.
okay. Right वाला is थोड़ा question.
But I don't like it on him.
Okay. You can't say much now.
Okay, guys.
I love it, bro. I love the shoes. Look at the shoes.
My आवाज is not coming
Look
out
at the
because
shoes,
it's him.
bro.
Okay, guys. I love Vijay Varma. I love Vijay Varma since like a few years now, and
Same,
Emma knows
same.
that. And my love is not measurable, guys.
Outfit.
Outfit is dope.
I love it.
I
So,
love him. I'll be biased here. I love it. I love it. I absolutely love it. And guys, just go on his Instagram. He's killing it with his kicks.
Easy, bro.
He's
Easy.
killing it with his kicks.
After Diljit, I think him is my favorite.
To be very honest,
Bro, he
दोनों
wears-
बहुत अलग है और दोनों का genre बहुत अलग है. But if I see them, bro,
And he wears anything. मतलब जो उसको देते हैं, and he kills it.
He kills it, and he's so effortless with. Vijay Varma is a legend.
He is. That is true.
He is, and I will not deny it. But
And I think best shoe choice.
best shoe choice in the industry currently and extremely underrated. Extremely underrated. बहुत सारे लोगों को they don't even know him. Guys, I'm telling you. Man,
He can pull off any action.
Any action.
Any economic class role.
Any role.
Any personality. Bro, गलीवा में सबसे
Monsoon
नीचे
shootout.
से लेके सबसे ऊपर से
Monsoon
लेके
shootout.
gangster. everything.
Gully Boy. Suitable
Which
boy.
was that movie?
She.
हाँ bro. She में insane.
She.
Gangster also he is played. Double role वो भी.
Mirzapur.
Oh bro, Mirzapur.
You know
Craze.
who's gonna get psyched after seeing this part.
This was a little questionable. That's why I was wanting to see what you'll say.
I know you.
And the
said
shoes are-
questionable
and the
because
shoes
it's-
are New
you
Balance.
are getting, yeah.
I
they're
like New Balance.
He has. Have you seen his collection of New Balance?
I know.
Okay,
You know who's
okay.
sponsored by New Balance? Jack Harlow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. He's looking like a cowboy from a distance.
नहीं bro, cowboy hat इससे बड़ा होता है.
he's looking like cowboy hat की बात नहीं करी अगर तू दूर से देखेगा he's giving you that cowboy vibe with the belt with the belt with the denims with the chain and a tinge of streetwear also and I love it.
मस्त है.
Not being biased here. ये look में I'm not being biased. I swear I'm not being biased. He's killing it. I love it.
मस्त है मेरे को.
10
Okay.
but
10. मेरा नाम
जोकर. He's looking like a firefighter. ये auntie, one second, I know this auntie.
Who is she?
She forces people to click pictures with her.
What?
She jumps on people when she sees them.
People मतलब
celebrities.
Let's just give a score directly.
1. I'll talk about individual pieces, they are nice. Except the jumper.
What else is there? The maroon shoes you like?
The fanny pack is fine. No guys.
बहुत कट करना है मेरे को ये वीडियो से. बहुत कट करना
पड़ेगा. But I like.
The king himself. I love it, bro. I love it.
Shahrukh is his dressing is so simple. So simple, like either he'll wear ripped jeans and check shirt or else he'll wear something like this.
Or a shirt inside a...
Or a shirt inside a t-shirt inside a shirt. And his Ray-Ban.
And obviously हवा आएगा तो shirt
और फिर बाद में मेरी मम्मी will go like but yeah.
Also guys, शाहरुख खान का मूवी अगर पसंद नहीं है तो उसके इंटरव्यूज देखो. वो genuinely one of the smartest and most classy people.
Shahrukh Khan ki, how can someone not like Shahrukh Khan?
I don't like his movies, but Shahrukh Khan as a person is insane because उसका इतना दिमाग है उसमें.
Bro, he is so well read.
Yeah. मस्त.
Nice, very nice.
मैं पहन सकता है ये, तो मैं 10 देगा.
तू पहन सकता है, तू सब कुछ पहनता नहीं है.
पैसा भी नहीं है bro, पैसा भी नहीं है पहनने का.
Subscribe करो तो थोड़े मिल जाए. But I like 10. 9.
9, okay. Next. He's back.
What is he looking like? He's looking like those assistants of actors who carry their bags and go around them. मेरे को एक इंसान का दिमाग में आ रहा है, बट मैं नाम नहीं लूंगी.
बोल कट कर दूंगा.
नहीं बट
बोलना. चालू है यार. Bleep.
नहीं. Don't.
Okay, next. Both of them.
2000. If I see the plot of the movie, if I see...
Bro, movie नहीं.
नहीं, if I see the
movie आएगा तो मैं points नहीं दे सकता.
No, 1 second. The costume designer of this movie. 1 second. The whole movie का everybody, it was so original and it was so authentic and it was so amazing. From Alia Bhatt का Safina वाला look.
Oh, bro.
To Ranveer Singh in every look.
Don't get me started on this.
To Vijay Varma, Moin bhai killed it, and I just.
Bro, Vijay Varma carried the movie. Ranveer Singh did an amazing job.
And Vijay Varma had put some BTS pictures of this, and from his teeth ka enameled color to. Bro, this movie was I'm not talking about the movie, but the looks in this movie were insane. It's perfect.
This movie was so well done. Guys, check out making of behind the scenes and making of Gully Boy. They took a parking space inside Dharavi and made a whole separate set of houses inside just to shoot. It was crazy.
Movie. Insane.
100 on 10. Both of them, bro. क्या मस्त है यार.
Not working for me.
Bro, वो बैग ना उठा के फेंक
देगा और इतनी weird.
इतना अच्छा.
और स्कूल बैग का साइज है वो.
हाँ, वो उसके बच्चे का रहेगा.
और पहन भी नहीं रहा शोल्डर.
बट अच्छा दिख रहा है वो. बैग के अलावा.
No, I love the set and Valentino. Nothing can go wrong with Valentino.
No. Give it to. Okay, next. What? What do you mean you don't like it? I love him.
I love him.
He's trying it अच्छे से एक तो.
I think ये वाला शुभ मंगल sorry कौन सी थी कार्तिक
आयुष्मान के साथ.
मेरे मुंह में सिर्फ कार्तिक आर्यन नहीं आ रहा अभी. आयुष्मान खुराना और इसकी वो जो मूवी आई थी ना शुभ मंगल सावधान 2 I think.
कुछ तो था but it has a good message. Lovely movie.
Yeah. Nice movie. Lovely acting. Amazing.
Guys, if you again check out Kota Factory if you haven't seen it.
And Panchayat also.
Yeah, best acting.
Very nice. This guy killed it.
I think it's a outfit of the movie, matlab. Because I've seen what he wears.
The t-shirt. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not.
Whoever has styled him has done like a.
I think it's on purpose, bro.
Even if it's on purpose, it's very bad.
No one would have given this jacket not on purpose.
You want me to tell you? Who
No,
is
it's
it?
okay.
To be honest, अगर कोई और पहन रहा होता ये ना, I would have
हाँ,
hated it.
हाँ,
But I don't know why it's just a soft corner for
No,
the
but
both
it
of
goes
us.
on him,
It
bro.
goes on
It
him
goes on
so
him.
well.
These are the same pants.
Yeah, the way it's falling on his body and the way he carries it, bro, so effortless,
And
so
it's,
effortless.
and this outfit is so
Bro,
casual.
he
I
has
love
this
it.
swag in him.
This was one of the better outfits.
I like. Looks good.
And ये पता है, ये actually ये जो जिधर शूट किया है ना, ये लोग ने केंड्रिक लमार हम्बल से कॉपी किया था. ये LA का वो है, गटर सिस्टम है.
हाँ.
और केंड्रिक लमार हम्बल के वीडियो में ये था और लोग ने कॉपी किया था सेम. इंडिया में लोग क्यों कॉपी करते हैं? आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. लोगों को शायद लगता है कि पता नहीं है इंडियन ऑडियंस को कि दूसरे लोग करते हैं.
दूसरे लोग करते हैं. And the thing is, what happens with I feel Indian audiences, उनको लगता है कि if they do that, people will like it more because
Yeah,
following the other. I'll give like a 8.
हाँ, अच्छा ये डिसेंट है.
Hey, hero. Nice. I love Ranbir Kapoor, man. One second. Again, apart from this look, he aces Jordans, guys.
हाँ, वो तो
He kills with his Jordans. In every look, he has either the Dior Jordans or he'll have the University Blue. Anyone he'll wear and he'll kill it. He's killing this. I love it. I love it.
6, 7,
9.
9. Nice.
Bro, because of Ranbir and the way he's carrying it here, his cap also. He doesn't come barehead. He
Yeah.
always wears a cap and
Yankees
it's such a
का
nice.
captain है.
हाँ. मतलब very very decent and very nice. It's very nice, very nice. This is the way you should go for it to the
हाँ ना,
airport.
वही,
This is
वही.
the way you should go to the
मेरे को
airport.
समझता नहीं है.
जीन्स पहन के, ये पहन के, हील्स पहन के क्या कर रहे हो यार? This is the way you should go to the airport. You have to fucking sleep in the flight. So na,
What do you think?
guys, what is this? अच्छा, it's not a recent picture for sure. At least 3 साल हो गए.
नहीं bro, come on.
It's not a recent because you know the print she has on her jacket is how old.
तू ओल्ड क्यों गिन रही है? वो तो कितने पुराने हैं. वो तो दिलजीत का 2 साल पुराने का है.
Absolutely hideous. Manageable
Bro,
but not.
वो काम कर रहा है ये इंडस्ट्री
यार
में,
तो
तेरे को
क्या
मालूम है
मेरे को
ना?
गिना रहा है चेंज यार.
ब्रो 5 साल बाद ये
Okay,
वीडियो
fine,
आएगा लोग के
okay.
पास में और बोलेंगे क्या है यार ना, और फिर तेरे को निकाल देंगे जॉब से.
Man, I'll make it better.
हाँ? My guy.
Bro,
Legend of the
he's
scene.
too good.
Bro, look
he
at him.
kills
Look
it.
at him. Look at him. Off white.
1,000, 1,000. I don't want to comment also because
It's
I think
so
I don't have
good.
an aukat of
Yeah,
commenting on him.
Respect.
Literally respect and the way he's carrying it, guys.
So good, so good.
80
It's insane.
what?
85 रहेगा.
नहीं उतना नहीं है.
Bro,
He's 80 I think.
80 तो रहेंगे ही.
Yeah, 80 and amazing.
Amazing. Love
Guys,
it.
the
10
way
on 10.
he's carrying it, guys, so
Off-white.
effortless. I mean, I don't even think I'll live till that, and even if I live, I'll be on the bed. So,
हाँ यार वही, ये ऑफिस में है उनके.
he's
Insane.
1,000. Now this is something. You
Is
know, there's a way of carrying also. Like I said, like he's carrying it in a very.
I like it, bro. I like it.
I like the set. I'm not too sure shoes.
I wish पैंट लूज होता ना
I
और
wish
नीचे तक
पैंट
जाता.
लूज होता नीचे एक फ्लिप फ्लॉप
हाँ,
I mean
bro.
स्लाइड्स भी होते तो भी बहुत अच्छा लगता.
मस्त ऑफ वाइट या
But
नाइकी
not
स्लाइड्स.
this, not this.
ऊपर
fine.
का बहुत अच्छा है.
ऊपर का.
Grey and
No, to be
maroon
very
is
honest,
very-
velvet is also a very good option to wear at the airport. I'll tell you what.
इंडिया में
Juicy
नहीं पहन
prefer-
सकते ब्रो.
पहन सकते हैं. तुमको
इतना
flight
गर्मी
में
होएगा
जाने का
bro,
है. हाँ,
इतना
तो घर
गर्मी
से निकलो,
होएगा.
गाड़ी में बैठो, उतरो, भागो अंदर and just sit in there.
ये लोग जैसा नहीं होता ना अपने को भाग के नहीं जाने मिलता. अपने को चल के आना होता है. 10 लोग को पासपोर्ट दिखाना होता है. मर जाएंगे उतने में गर्मी में.
That's true, but for them, let's see from their point of view.
Okay, next.
फ्लाइट वाले को तो मैं कंसिडर भी ना करूँ.
क्यों? अच्छा है ब्रो. एज अ पेयर बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हो लोग. Bro, they actually look like kings.
Man, but no, not Abhishek Bachchan.
अरे what do you mean not Abhishek?
I don't like this outfit.
Bro,
Abhishek.
अच्छा है bro.
Bro, why is Amitabh Bachchan killing it in those loafers also, bro?
Bro, but Abhishek Bachchan का jeans is अभी तक का one of the best jeans. मतलब सब में से अच्छा, at least मतलब considerable jeans है वो. उस बाकी सब ने क्या पहना?
Amitabh Bachchan is like out of the world mad. I don't like about Abhishek. I don't know what I don't like, but something is not good for me about the look. I don't know
think
what.
the shoes.
I think his legs are looking too long.
अभी है वो लंबा यार.
I don't know what's wrong.
तो
but
क्या
his shoes
चाहिए?
are
और
long.
loose pant.
Loose pants maybe. Yeah, something is bothering me about it.
Okay, how much? As a pair, huh?
As a pair.
10 and
I'll give
average.
like an 8.
8 is.
But
I
something
like
is
both.
bothering me about Abhishek Bachchan.
I think 10 है दोनों pair.
For you?
Yeah.
You're weird.
They both look like kings, bro.
Bro, Kings agreed because of Amitabh Bachchan again.
No,
but
he also is good, huh?
next.
Bro, what is this? Put some respect on Abhishek Bachchan.
No, I like him, but not here.
No, I mean generally people. सबको
No,
पागल
definitely
लगता
नहीं. I'm not one of those who he's Amitabh Bachchan's son and he's not doing anything. Nothing. He has done his
है.
part.
Check out Don't Breathe on Amazon Prime.
Very nice. And to be honest, मैं कभी ऐसा नहीं बोलूँगी because he's Amitabh Bachchan. कितना pressure he must be
Yeah,
having to be Amitabh Bachchan's son, guys. Honestly.
And we don't know वो क्या करता है. वो एक दो मूवी करता है. पूरे साल क्या business करता होगा.
Who knows? And to be honest, just because he's Amitabh Bachchan's son, he should be good at everything. Or what?
Yeah.
It's not what nonsense. But just judging the look, not. I like.
He's brought it back with this.
Why do I like it? I love it.
Bro, what do you mean? I don't know why उसका पैंट
Because
देख
किसी
bro.
तो
पैंट
किसी
का
नॉर्मल
fit
इंसान
देख.
को पूछ they won't मतलब किसी को ऐसे पूछ जनरली नहीं.
तो लोग नहीं देखते होंगे ना street पे.
He's killing it with the shirt inside and with that oversized jumper with that V-neck detail.
Oh bro, it's too
Very
good.
nice, very classy,
I think
very
और क्या
elegant.
ये Air Force One है क्या?
नहीं ऐसा heel Air Force का. No, it's not Air Force.
It
Whatever
looks like
it is,
customized Air
it
Force
is-
One.
Yeah,
but
it
it's
is
not.
customized and I love the shoe. I like.
मस्त है ना?
I love the tote. I love the shoes. I
Gangster
love the
लग रहा है
pant.
bro.
He looks like a gangster. I love these pair of sunglasses. He wears it a lot
Actual
of times.
gangster
I
लग रहा है,
love it. I love
Bro,
it.
लेकिन ये shoes ना लोग इतने fake पहनते ना. ये लिंकिंग रोड में सेम shoes मिलेंगे. Exact same. कौन पहनता था shoes? Stop. I hate it bro. ये नहीं लेने का fake shoes यार.
नहीं है तो मत पहनो. Fake मत
वही
पहनो
यार.
यार. I die.
Bro, it's too good man. It's too good. Look at the
Why
socks.
is he so yummy?
Socks.
Why is he so yummy?
The socks. I know. The socks are so good.
These are those H&M wale
Yes.
socks, if I'm not wrong, and
Yes.
these shoes.
Shoes are what?
I don't know
brand?
what brand.
It's too good. It's too good. It's too good. It's too good, bro.
Mad. You look mad. Why I'm saying you look mad? I
In
think
a
you
good
listen
way,
to
in a
me.
good way.
But it's amazing. I know this shoot. मैंने XP का shoot था and
It's actually too good.
it's too good. Look at his hair. Look at him. Look at this picture. Look at the aesthetics of the picture. Look at his.
Gangster.
Love the socks. Love the aesthetics. He's wearing a t-shirt inside the
And the
shirt.
socks and the t-shirt go well.
Go so well. The pastel tones, the
ये
shoes.
कौन सा शूज है यार? मेरे को जानना है ये. कुछ अलग ही
I
है.
don't think it's a
नहीं ब्रो, कोई तो ब्रांड है बट मेरे को समझ नहीं रहा है कौन सा ब्रांड है.
1000. Vijay Varma.
दे दे वो मैसेज देना
Can
विजय
you
वर्मा
put
को
like
दे दे.
hearts in my eye when you?
This I feel this
Why
is
are you doing this?
Bro.
I mean, 1 minute. Why are you coming like this?
bro, this is better than the rest.
Yeah, it's better than the rest, but why are you coming out like
ये
this?
finally
Have you
अच्छा
seen
fit
your
है pant
t-shirt?
अच्छा है ब्रो, ये नॉर्मल है. घर में है वो अपने.
घर है?
अरे मतलब बिल्डिंग में देखना.
I don't like you.
Watchman
I mean, I don't like this.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god, stop you fucking lying.
I like the pant individually. I don't like the outfit.
Bro,
your
normal है
body type
bro.
is not cool.
ये क्या वो
To carry
ये
such
उसने
outfits.
खुद पहना है मतलब वो
don't
वार्डरोब
like.
से पहना है.
I don't like.
Bro, I'd give this a 8. But it's casual.
5 for the pants.
हाँ, still it's
For the pants.
better than 2
For the
which
pa-
you
I
were
hate
giving.
your. Why have you worn the cap like that?
Bro, why you doing that?
I know you're not going to watch this video anymore.
That those were all the looks. Which were the top 3? Bro, मेरे लिए top is Amitabh Bachchan, 110.
Amitabh Bachchan has to come one. The first
Off-white
one.
wala.
Yeah. Then not taking Diljit would be a
crime.
So we'll choose Diljit ka. I think the first look.
Yeah, the neon.
The neon one. Sorry, can we take top 5?
Okay.
Then definitely Harshvardhan Kapoor ka Lavender.
Yeah, he's a winner.
Then we have to take Vijay ka
Yes.
last.
Which one, but?
The last one.
Last one, I am saying the first one.
Last one. For me.
Bro, look at the first one.
Last one for me. Fifth mein I would either say
Don't say Badshah.
No, I would either say Shah Rukh.
But Shah Rukh was very basic. It was good, but
I would either say Shah Rukh or Karan. Karan because he
Karan
always
Johar.
yeah.
The black. Bro, that was insane. Top 5.
Top 5. So those were our top 5.
Diljit का सब एक में included है.
Yeah, मतलब Diljit in general has to come in the top 5.
I think he's top 5 human also.
And if you don't take him in Bollywood streetwear ka top
Yeah,
people, it's a crime
insult.
because he is setting boundaries for people, and trust me, he promotes the upcoming streetwear brands also. He has taken a lot from Jaywalking also. He has done custom made from Jaywalking also, and he has aced it. I mean, beautiful, very nice, very nice. And guys, at the end of the video, I would just like to say that people who are trying to do streetwear, just do it, man.
Do it.
Abhi agar tum log ko you all are not being able to carry it, as I said in the video, you need to have that thing in your to carry it. But I think you also just do it because
I'm also trying.
we all are trying, and it's just beautiful. I know people don't have that taste. Everybody doesn't have that taste, and some people like to go casual. But जिनको करने का शौक है, guys, just do it. I mean, and try different streetwear brands. Source it. इंडिया में है, थोड़े कम भी है, अच्छे वाले कम है, niche वाले कम है. Your wardrobe, just add like one piece and just try to use it. Just take like a loose jacket, or maybe the people who really want to do it.
And सब expensive नहीं है. Could be.
Even I don't even understand why people, because I personally see Jaywalking cut things every day. People say that he is expensive and everything, but his quality of garment, material, design, thought process, sourcing of the garment, they're all small, like growing brands, and they don't make.
And he's also growing brand. He has a store.
He has to do things and.
जिसने जो प्राइस रखा है वो justified है.
And justified है, किसी को question मत करो that why is you all are able to pay 70k to Gucci, things like that, but you all don't want to 5,000 for like and they don't make in bulk. They make
45,
and
50.
guys, the material, and I'm not saying that just go splurge your money. See for yourself, but don't. I hate it, bro. They keep cribbing. 8,000 का t-shirt कौन बनाता है, 30,000 का. Guys, they work for it.
And it's not necessary to buy that to get into.
And it's a small team.
But it's also not necessary to buy that to get into streetwear, na?
Yeah, not
just
at all.
Just buy a loose black t-shirt किधर से भी उसके upcycle करो,
I think
pant
you should
खरीदो.
start like that. We all started like that.
Then when you are confident कि you are liking streetwear, you getting into the culture, then buy more expensive stuff.
Yeah,
that same thing happened with shoes. तुम
to be
पहले
honest,
Adidas का running shoes खरीदते हो, उसके बाद तुमको Adidas का history, culture सब पता चलता है. Then you start buying.
आजकल क्या हो गया है, वो Jordan पहन रहा है तो मैं भी Jordan पहनूंगा. वो Jordan कर रहा है तो मैं भी करूंगा. Learn for yourself. Invest only if you are willing to invest. And trust me, it's like an addiction.
Bro,
Trust me.
Nike shoes are an addiction. Any last thoughts?
No. I just like Vijay Verma.
And not Kartik Aaryan.
No, I love you, Kartik Aaryan.
Why the fuck you lying?
I love you too. Lamborghini में एक ride दे please.
दोस्ताना 2 के लिए.
Bro, मत stop.
Like guys.
एक घंटा रिकॉर्ड किया हम लोग ने यार, क्या एडिट में वो.
Guys, like, guys, comment, guys, subscribe, and guys, follow me, follow Aman.
Yes, follow Anna.
Follow me. I don't have content, but just follow.
Anna needs the followers.
Why?
Then तेरे एक following का photo आएगा 20k.
No, guys, just follow me for just time pass and to see food.
इसने इतना बोला है ना, अभी इसको फॉलो करो और इसको बोलो कि इसके कपड़े क्यों गंदे हैं. ओके, बाय, थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग.
मैंने can't.